Question number 33, we have this block diagram which shows a landscape, which is kind of a funky looking landscape, and then we have to decide what kind of stream drainage pattern would match up with this block diagram. So the trick to these kind of questions is recognizing that water is always going to flow in the valleys of the landscape. So what you want to do is you want to kind of look for where water would flow in the valleys, and you can see there's kind of a little dip here, and that's where the water is going to sit in the bottom of this valley. And if you kind of trace that valley around, you can do this with your pencil or whatever on your actual test, you can kind of see it makes this little U shape there. There's also a valley located in the little V shape here, so that's going to wrap around this mountain in the middle, and so it's also going to make this kind of smaller U shape there. And so then what we want to look at is we want to have streams that kind of have that same pattern that is shown. Obviously, the water's going to roll down this hill and go into that valley, so it's going to have these little projections off of it. But overall, this is the major channel of this river, and that's what we want to kind of look for. So you just kind of eliminate answer choices. This one obviously doesn't show that pattern. Neither does number 2. If you look at number 3, you can kind of see that same U shape that I drew on the diagram above, and there's a smaller one inset from that a little bit. And this is definitely the pattern that matches with the diagram shown. So that's the answer, number 3.